What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BG. Today we are in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We have just landed in Fort Lauderdale. We are headed to Acura of Pembroke Pines to pick up this 2021 Acura TLX A-spec in Apex Blue. All right, so here we are at Acura of Pembroke Pines. This is one of the largest dealers in the U.S. This is where it all happens, right here. All right, so here's everybody, the 2021 Acura TLX A-spec Edition in the Apex Blue. And we are here at Acura of Pembroke Pines. So I had the pleasure of working with my man here, Joseph Pineda. Go ahead, check him out. If you got a car that you're interested in and Acura of Pembroke Pines has it, go ahead and give him a shout out. Tell him BT sent you. Why don't you give the people a little blurb as to why they should choose you for their experience here at this dealership?
Absolutely. So first and foremost, congratulations to Mr. Tomlinson here. It's been a pleasure. Well, this is the #1 Acura store in the nation. 14 years in a row, Southwest. #1 store down here. And we're going to take care of you. You're going to get the best deal, best vehicle, reputable dealership. Just, only one way to go, man. If you're going Acura, it's got to be Acura Pembroke Pines.
I appreciate that, Joseph. And I can vouch for that because I've had a great experience here. All right, I'm ready to get back on the road. We got a long drive ahead of us. Stay tuned.